From mobile computers and payment terminals to business tablets, Bluebird offers a full lineup of various applications. Let's meet actual users who utilize Bluebird's premium products. These are their stories. New York, the iconic center of the global economy. The staff of the New York City bus stores carry the Bluebird VIP 1300 all day to issue and verify tickets. The user satisfaction level is very high. This is a YouTube clip uploaded by one of Bluebird's German partners. The car runs over the device, yet it is not damaged at all. Only Bluebird delivers such ruggedness.
So any other device that can sustain such a test like the Pidion device did.
Bluebird is the only company in the world to have specialized in both AIDC and the payment industry. Making substantial investments in R&D, Bluebird is becoming more competitive in terms of technical feasibility, grounded in innovation. Bluebird has won 3 global design awards. Bluebird products are stylish, functional, and fully engaging. Once manufacturing is completed, harsh user environment tests await the finished products. Ruggedness is mandatory because in field service or logistics, the work environment can be very tough. Each product has to pass 500,000 rounds of user environmental tests, including the tumble and key life tests. They must pass these tests before being shipped to the market. The Dutch National Railway NS utilizes Bluebird's VIP 6000. The total length of the railway measures beyond 2,800 kilometers. The tickets are issued and verified all along the railway line with the VIP 6000.
That was an iPad made by HP. And this one is much better because it doesn't lose its connection to the internet. It's much more stable, more options, and especially the battery, way better than the one we used to have.
It measures the activity, so when it's in the heat, as you can be inseminated, then we know that on that moment. Pidion system from your company, and that's on the feeding truck, and the feeding truck gets the information from our dairy tuner.
The best point for Pidion is the support side, because if you're looking into the Motorola devices, I think they can equal the quality, but they don't offer the same service and support like Pidion does. This is where you're definitely better with Pidion than you are with any other of the big competitors.
This partner was so satisfied with his Bluebird's durability that he filmed his own durability test and shared it on YouTube. He conducted drop tests from various heights. The product remained fully functional after surviving an 8-meter drop.
At the time, there is always a doubt about the quality of a product because it's not made in Germany. And the German customers always doubt before they see. So we said, okay, we take the test, we take the risk, and we take one of our products from our own stock, and we're going to test whether it really survives what is promised.
He also did tests on the HM50. The device was thrown out of a moving car and Frank ran over the HM50. But the device operated fine. From the touchscreen to the barcode reader, nothing was damaged.
Most of the products that we have in our portfolio are robust. They claim to be robust, but most are not, so they don't survive the test. So what we have done so far, also with the previous products of Pidion, is to prove to our customers that we trust that they will survive these kind of tests easily.
Bluebird's maximized durability is the ultimate result of our conducting harsh tests at each stage of development. To be functional all the time, handheld computers must be resistant to drops, moisture, dust, and heat. For instance, our product must endure tests over 8 hours at 100 degrees Celsius, typical desert heat conditions.
이거 이렇게 뜨거우니까 조심해야 돼. 항상 이게 화상 입지 않도록.
More often than not, operations take place outdoors. Field workers can't afford to compromise their operations in rain or snow. Bluebird's data capturing is always swift and accurate. New York City tour bus staff needs to issue hundreds of tickets for tourists from all over the world. Bluebird's VIP 1300 has brought the ultimate convenience for both tour operators and tourists.
Like this is the wireless. It's very easy to connect to the credit card, internet connection. We swipe the card and we print the ticket. It's a credit card is very especially for good people having credit card now. Then they saying that they don't have the doubt now.
There's no, you can't touch the screen.
Right.
When they seen us touching the screen, they said, how you got touch screen? I said, because that's the technology that's out now. What's wrong? Y'all are behind or something?
Right.
You know?
According to one IT manager of a major department store in Korea, there was no Wi-Fi device that could have supported the department store's wireless infrastructure 10 years ago. Many vendors tried, but only Bluebird succeeded. Surprisingly, Bluebird provided everything within 3 months. This all-in-one, handy and reliable device supports enterprise functions like barcode reading, wireless connectivity, payment schemes, and printing. Enterprise mobile computers must be designed to withstand tough work environments. Bluebird carries on its fine tradition of manufacturing products that you can depend on.
Business of that, it is really easy. There weren't any products like Pidion in the market at that time, and we were looking for such a product. So, and then we were coming up with a kind of rugged PDA, you know, easy to use, everything in one box. And there wasn't any product in that time, so not Motorola, Symbol maybe at that time, or Internet, or Sign. They didn't have such products.
The old version of the devices was not so tough. It broke down too easy. We went to Pidion because they were a little bit faster at least, and they were a little bit smaller also, so they were easier to handle for the mechanics. They could fit in the pants on their trousers.
In that time, all the competition, you know, they were rugged and they were really big, you know, huge, or they were slim, but it was consumer products. And Pidion really fits in that gap at that time. So that's the reason why Pidion, I think Pidion in general became very successful.
Bluebird builds innovative products that are fully functional, light, and compact. These products will help your enterprise succeed. Bluebird will continue to challenge itself to become #1.